Yo, yo, yo. Welcome to another week of weekly setup. Let's go. Hope you guys had a good week last week. Okay, let's go. So, as usual, we'll begin with Australian USD. This is the monthly. So, we're seeing a pullback here. It's a very nice bearish candle. And that's, you're looking at 300 pips. Just this single candle. All right, let's see if price will find support at the back of this trend line, or it will go down. So let's look at the weekly. Yeah, very large bearish candle. That's 250 pips. Daily, yeah, last week we caught this, so we're actually looking for a break, and we got the break right here. And so we got all of this, and there was a better entry on the H4, I think. So right here, so this would have been the main bullish trend line, and then we would have this, and then so I got it right below this point, so that's 140 pips running. No, I think I closed it. I think I took profit about right here. I took profit about 200 pips basically. All right, so let's see for this week. That's not necessary anymore, and your 9 is too far away from price, so sense to have it. And this one, really, it's too far away from price, so definitely necessary. Closer look, H1. Yeah, so this is the downtrend, right? So for me, I would be comfortable taking a trade right here, taking a sell if we get a strong break of this low, with maybe a stop loss of here, or depending on what happens right about here. So let's say price decide to go down right here, then we could probably use this right here as the stop loss point. So that's it for Australian USD. Let's move on to CAD JPY. Monthly, yeah, support, all about support, and bearish trend. No, price wants some resistance. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, make note of this wick right here, and this support here, this resistance. So right about here is a very important zone, so take note of this guys. Daily, yeah, remember the zone, guys. And here we have it, another setup. So we have the bearish trend, and then now we have price converging, so in a triangle, right? So I basically trade the breaks, so I'll definitely be interested in taking a trade of the break of this triangle, and you can see it a little bit better on the H1. So for me, if I get a strong break of this low right here, I would definitely take a sell. If I get a strong break of this high, I'll take a buy. So that's it for KJPY onto EJ Monday. And yes, can tell it EJ resembles Australian USD. So we got the pullback, ticker, close up weekly, like this. Oh, close a look. Yeah, and I caught this, and I think I gave this in a video some about, I think last week or some time ago or the week before. I'm actually looking for a break of this area right here. Anyway, close a look. It for, yeah, right here. So bearish, and then price converging. So this is the trade I'm looking forward to the most this week. Looking for a break of this low or a break of this high. If it happens, I will actually take it. So this one is the most anticipated trade. This will be the most anticipated trade for me this week. EJ onto GJ Monday. So most, if not all, the periods they are having some pullbacks. So, and remember this, we're basically in support. All right, so let's see. Weekly, yeah, we got the break of the bullish trend line, and then instantly we got a pullback, so we could get some upside. But let's see, daily break 8-4, yeah, bullish bearish trend line, each one, yeah, much better view. So bullish trends started right about here. So that we have a low, even no, it's from here. So we have a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and we're not sure if this is a higher low as yet. Well, it could be, but for me, I would take a break. If I get a break of this, I would definitely buy. Get a break of this low. So, and guys, notice that I don't have this trend line right here, because based on my rules, this wouldn't be valid, because the market would have to um make a higher high before we could adjust this trend line. So for now, so until price breaks above this high, this trend line um stays put. It's the reason why I'm actually interested in in a sell. So we'll see what happens this week onto the monthly channel, weekly, daily, another channel support, and some activity where it's for, yeah, yeah, and I'm actually buying this. So I mean, really aware about it from somewhere around here, and I'm still in it, so I'm making 80 pips. My stop loss is currently right here, so I've secured 50 pips. And guys know my stuff. I think I have like 6 entries, 6 times 50, 200 pips. So let's see if I have any stuff on the each one. Yeah, sure enough. So we have the bullish move, right? Bullish trend line. So for me, here is basically a support zone, right? So support. So if I get a break of this low, I definitely sell. But if price remains above this point right here, means the market um bullish, or the bullish trend will continue, right? So don't wake up this low, I definitely onto EU monthly. So same thing, pull back, weekly, yep, daily, yep. And this one was a nice trade, guys. So, and I think I'm not sure if it was last week I gave this on YouTube, yeah. So I think I mentioned this area, consolidation, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout, consolidation, breakout. All right, so let's take a closer look, see if we can get to it. All right, so here break, so the bearish trend has been confirmed. H1 bearish, right? Um, for me, although I'm bearish, I would still take an entry right here. So if I get a break of this eye, me, it's possible that um a bull trend has started. So don't break above here, don't break below here. That's it for down to GU again. Trend. So pull back. Resistance. Let's see if, because for me this is basically a channel right here. Although we got this break, this fake out right here, but the channel still holds. So let's see if we'll get down to here and then maybe up again. But let's see. Weekly. Mm-hmm. Bullish trend now we can push clear on the daily. On the H4 now we can see the bearish trend line. H1. So we are price converting, right? For me, if I get a breakup below this point, it means that price have a high, a low, then another high, and then a lower low, which would actually confirm the start of a bearish trend. So I'm definitely interested in this. If I get a break of this low, I'll definitely buy. And for me, I think I'm on this one, I'm more comfortable taking a sell. So I'm more bearish. My bias is bearish, but based on my rules, I would still take this one. All right. So next, USRT resistance, weekly, snap down, pull back, daily. All right. So 9 to today. Let's see. No, this is the only one important. No, H4. Now we have another important one. So bearish trend, and then bearish trend, bearish, and this minor one. Then H1. So I'm only for this one. Currently, I'm only interested in taking a sell. So if I get a break below this point, I will take a sell. USDT onto Bitcoin. Monthly breakout, test of, not retest, but test of the back of the trend line. There are no out. Tested the back of the trend line, or this point which was previously a resistance zone. It's basically, it has turned into a support. So let's see if it will actually hold. Daily here, bullish, bearish one right here. So this bearish trend line is still intact until price breaches this high right here. This bearish trend line still holds. So for those thinking that Bitcoin is out of the forest or gut or whatever, no, not until it breaks above this point. If we get a break up below this point, right? Made for that, I think you will be able to see this trend line better on the each one. So bearish, bearish, each one. So check it out. So this point, high, low, high, high, low. So we got a breakout of this, and it instantly price came back and tested the back and found support at the back of the trend line. So if it breaks this support, I would definitely be interested in taking out the breaks above this point. Means that the bullish trend continues. So not continue, but that bullish trend has started. So here we have a low, high, higher low, and if it breaks above this point, it could be considered considered a higher high. So reason why I would actually be interested in taking that trade. All right, so that's it, guys. Um, have a good week and stay tuned to my Instagram. Subscribe, like the video. Um, invite a few friends and tell them to invite a few friends. Well, definitely those that are is interested in Forex, want to learn Forex without giving their souls away. All right, guys. Take care. See you on the next one.